The crab season is on now and it's almost summertime, so this week we will do 3 very fresh crab dishes. Those will be perfect to eat by the pool with a nice white wine. So enough talking and let's cook this! First, we start with the hot stuff. In a large pan, boil some water, and you can smell all the aromas of the boiling water. Put the rice noodle in the boiling water and follow the cooking time on the package. When it's done, put it in icy water so it stops cooking and stay al dente. Take 6 stripes of prosciutto, place it on a non-stick pan and indigo in the oven at 400 Fahrenheit for about 7 to 8 minutes. While we wait, we can eat the rest of the prosciutto and have some fun. It's a beautiful. Now it's sauce time. In a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of honey, 1 tablespoon of sriracha. I think my tablespoon is dead now. You will be missed. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and mix everything until it's homogeneous. Now taste to see if you did a good job. It seems like it. Put it in a bottle and try not to spill it. Now we need to make a second sauce. Half a cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of coconut cream, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sriracha for some heat, and 1 tablespoon of miso paste for a hearty umami flavor. Mix everything and taste. This sauce is awesome. Don't forget to label your bottles. Peel and cut in julienne 1 cucumber, and also do the same with the pear. This is a good practice for your knife skill. Make sure to hold the food correctly so you don't lose a finger. Take 1 avocado, slice it around the core, twist and with the end of your knife poke, turn and remove the core, then pop it with your thumb and index. Cut it in quarter, peel the skin and slice it thin. I am Wolverine! This crab claw is already cooked. Separate all the legs and crack it in the joint. Remove the cartilage and massage the crab really slowly. Make him feel good. This will release the meat from the shell. The orange side is hard and the white side is soft, so cut it on the white side. Do a double cut if you need to have the whole piece intact. Get every ounce of that delicious meat and always save the shell in the freezer for a stock or crab butter later. Put the crab in a bowl, finely cut some chives, add it to the mix, add 2 tablespoons of tobiko, add 2 tablespoons of our miso sauce we did earlier, season with salt and mix all that goodness together. Of course, taste if it's good. I think it's positive. Good job.
Oh, wow.
Take the rice noodle from the cold water, strain it of its water, then put it in a bowl. Add the sliced avocado, the julienne pears, the julienne cucumber, add the delicious crispy prosciutto, add a good portion of the crab mix and decorate it with the crab claw for extra fanciness. And top it with our miso coco sauce. This is very elegant. Our second dish will be on a rice base. Take 3 cups of Calrose rice and wash it under water so all the starch go away. Repeat until your water turns from cloudy white to clear. Put the rice in your rice cooker. Fill it with water to the appropriate mark, then select the sushi rice mode and do a weird dance to the rice cooker music. It's time to kill a pineapple, so please do it quickly and humanly so the poor thing do not suffer. Slice it in 2 equal parts, then slice the bottom so it will be more stable. You will understand this very soon, my friend. You need to empty the pineapple to make a bowl shape. Yes, it will be our vessel. Use a paring knife to cut around and a spoon to spoon around. That makes no sense. Keep the pineapple meat and cut it in dice. Also dice 1 mango. This is a fancy way to do it. Also dice 1 avocado and put all 3 of them in a bowl and incorporate a quarter cup of maple syrup and a quarter cup of sushi sauce or light soy sauce. For this one, it will be a simple miso sauce, 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of miso. Mix everything until homogeneous. Put it in a bottle and don't spill. Well played. And add 2 tablespoons of it to the crab. Make sure you hold the spoon upside down to mix it. Add 2 tablespoons of Tobiko. I like when those pop in your mouth. And mix. Season your rice with rice vinegar and don't crush your rice while mixing. Wait for your rice to cool down. Obviously, I didn't. Bad done. Put a nice bed of rice in our pineapple bowl. Now it's time to assemble everything: the mango, avocado, pineapple, a good portion of seaweed salad, roll 2 slices of smoked salmon, and of course a big chunk of our crab mix. Add some pomme grenade to make it look pretty, and voila, a beauty! For our last dish, we need rice and it's already made. Make a tempura mix. I got lazy and I'm using a pre-made one. We also need panko or breadcrumbs. We will work the rice with our hands, so keep some water so it doesn't stick. Use a molding ring to shape the rice. Remember to get everything wet. Make as many as you need, then put the tempura on top of it and add the panko after. Repeat on the other side and don't forget the edges. Put it in oil at 350 Fahrenheit until you get a light golden color. Don't overcook it. Let's do a simple guac. We need 2 avocado. Cut it in half, remove the core, repeat for the other one. Oh wow, I am more strong than I think. Or am I holding a lightsaber? If you want to save time doing a guac, crush the avocado with your bare hand first. Use the juice of half a lemon, season with salt and don't put garlic in it. Mix with a fork. Luke, use the fork. Put the crab in a bowl, finely dice a pear, add it to the mix. Chop some chives and add our spicy mayo in. Season with salt and mix. Put the guac on a rice galette, spread it equally about half an inch thick. To the crab mix, I put more tobiko, because why not? And put a lot of crab mix on top. And if you don't like a cook touching food with their hands, don't ever go in a restaurant again. I know I said it before, but it's beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If so, leave a like, subscribe, and
See you soon!